Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
To deliver welcome address on this auspicious occasion, the Tamil Nadu Drone Technology Enabling Training and Festival 2021. Shri Dubey sir, the place where you are sitting was the place where Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, delivered the first convocation address in this campus.
In this note, I think you may be witnessed CISR RPTO called Remote Pilot Training Organization, first of its kind, has been approved to Anna University. Great thanks to Rajeshekar sir from DGCA. Without their effort and with the official support from Amber Dubey sir, it won't be happened. And give a big applause to them. For India's first drone training school, very soon we are going to launch. Some few approvals are required. Also, I would like to invite Mr. Nagarajan, Director of Higher Education from Government of Gujarat. He is a 2008 IAS officer. After hearing the function, he came all the way from the Gujarat and landed in the morning. He wanted to attend this function and want to interact with all the stakeholders of the drone community. And as well, I would like to thank Mr. Krishnamurthy, a special officer from Tamil Nadu Defence Corridor, and other my dear colleagues, HODs and other faculty members.
Wherever drones are being deployed, initially deployed for the police department, safeguarding people whenever this natural calamity came. Then he extended this for the agricultural applications. Now during this crisis time, this application of this drone has lot of applications, enormous applications. People started finding through these drones. 16 countries in this world deployed these drones during this pandemic time for spraying infectant in various places. And now these logistic companies, they started utilizing how to deliver food to the remote people through these drones.
Vanakkam from Delhi. எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? Our focus always remains on Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Okay, but they are the core of a country. If the Jawan is not helped, if the country fails, if our security is endangered, any innovation will be wasted. And farmers, they are almost 60-70% of our population. And I felt very emotional when he told me that local farmers, because of the problem of the pesticide, they put tile, they put curd on their body, right? Because it burns the skin. Okay, and he's spraying. You put that backpack like a school bag. And there's Bangalore, big drone hub in Bangalore. Okay, in IIT Kanpur also, we were there in Kanpur also where we met farmers and both engineers, farmers, students. Everywhere Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. There also we had local police and the head of the anti-terrorist cell and all that. So they were there and they are using drones in a big way. Everywhere there are people working hard and they're trying to become the drone hub. And you want dozens of drone hubs in India. Okay, but you have very stiff competition from Telangana, Bangalore, Kanpur, Guwahati, everywhere. So please work very hard. The more the drone hubs, the better we become. The whole, this great motherland of ours, India, Bharat also becomes great.
Give a big applause to him, my farmer. This is the success of this program. How nicely he is operating. They are the future of India. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, part of the development of India.